Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you top Swahili spices to make East African foods. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my video. So these are the top Swahili spices. This video was highly recommended by my subscribers, so I'm going to show you all the spices one by one and the uses of these spices. Our first spicy is going to be samosa kebab powder. This spicy you can use it in samosa, kebabs and vegetable samosa. Our second spicy is going to be fish salted powder. This spicy you can use it in fish, shrimps or prawns. Our third spicy, I have whole cardamom and cardamom powder. Cardamom powder is to add some flavor or some smell into your food. You can use it for baking or in tea. Our fourth spicy is going to be yeast. Yeast is usually used to double size food like mandazi or bread. Our fifth spicy is going to be chili powder. Chili powder is an international spicy. It's usually used to add spiciness and hotness in the food. Cumin seed is an herb and it also helps to solve problems like diarrhea, and you can use it often in pilau or meat. Sesame seed is known as ufuta in Kiswahili. It's usually used in decorating foods like bread or to make sesame snacks. So our next spicy, I have black pepper powder and I have whole cloves. So this spicy, it's usually used to add flavor and spiciness to food like meats, fish, vegetable, salad dressing, soup, and etc. etc. This is pilau spicy. This is a combination of different types of spices like cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom, and cumin seeds, and you can use it often to make pilau. And this is whole oats. Whole oats is usually used to make oat porridge. Curry powder is a combination of different spicy, turmeric, coriander, cumin seeds, ginger and pepper, and it's usually used in making stew. I have cinnamon powder and cinnamon stick. This is an international spicy. It's usually used in baking cinnamon rolls, to add in the tea, and also to make pilau. And then we have salt. Salt is to add taste in the food. Tea masala is a combination of crushed ginger, crushed cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon, and it's usually used in tea. Honey is an important ingredient that you don't have to miss in your kitchen. Honey is commonly used as a sweetener in food, and it's also used as a medicine like sore throats and other types of disease. Then we have spice coffee. You can use to make coffee or you can add in the tea, and also coffee can be used as a body scrubber. Then we have biryani powder, or you can call it biryani masala. It's a combination of different spices like paprika, salt, coriander, garlic, cardamom, cayenne pepper, turmeric, and other types of ingredients. And you can use it to make biryani stew. And this is ginger powder. It's made of ginger. You have to dry the ginger in the sun or bake it in the oven to be dry completely, and then crush it into powder. And you can use it in tea, and it's also helped to reduce flu and also cold. Turmeric powder has multiple functions. It's usually used in food to add color into the food, and it can also be used to brighten your skin. Next, it's coriander powder. It's made of coriander leaves which have been dried completely and then crushed. Coriander powder can be used in stew, samosa, and kebabs. And these are soup cubes, or you can call them bouillon cubes. I have Maggi and I have Jumbo. These are usually used to add flavor in dishes like soup and stew. Beef masala, it's used to tenderize meats or chicken. Raisins, it's a decorating ingredient in food. You can normally add in cakes, rice, and pudding. And it also contains healthy vitamins and minerals. Our next spicy is cocoa powder. We have two types of cocoa powder, sweetened and unsweetened. And it's used to add deep chocolate flavor to desserts like cakes and cookies. Our next spicy is baking powder. It's used to increase the volume and lighten the texture of baked goods like mandazi, cakes, cookies, and etc. etc. Baking soda and baking powder has similar function. Baking soda, it's used to make a dough rise like mandazi dough or a bread dough. Our next spicy is garam masala. Garam masala is a combination of different spices like cinnamon, peppercorn, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and cardamom. And you can use it in stew and meats to add aroma in the food. Our next spices are Italian spices. These are not actually East African spices. We have basilicum, rosemary, thyme leaves, and petersilie. They are usually used in pizza or to make spaghetti sauce. Our next spicy is paprika powder. It's used to season and color dishes like rice, stew, and soup. Next is breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are made of normal breads which are completely toasted and crushed in a food processor. And we often use it as a stuffing ingredient in kebabs or cutlets. Corn flour, it's used as a thickener for soups, stew, sauces, and milk. Condensed milk is a sweetened milk, and it's also an international ingredient. It's used in desserts, baking, and it can also be used as a decorating topping. Our second last dessert is vanilla essence. We have different types of essence. They're usually used to add flavor in several desserts and dishes. Our last ingredient is custard powder. Custard powder can be used in cakes, cookies, and desserts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other videos, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen. And thank you once again. Bye bye.